Bob Osian, we've done the same relationship since 2014. And it's a freestyle Friday. That means we can choose to be dancing. We can choose to want to discuss pressing issues.
So
or things where they press us.
To dance. That's why you play music from beginning of the show to the end.
You don't like Sarkodie? You and Sarkodie get issues.
Why won't I like Sarkodie?
Shakara, why you be hater like this? This is the problem with old generation men.
We have a lot of problems.
Now old generation people they get this kind of problem.
See this one. We never
old generation
people. You never know why I reach house late.
We will be young boys.
Tell like say we have the reason why you go house. Wait.
This is the last day I will ever address you as a young boy.
Why you go?
You know that yesterday now see this where you shave. So I call him my final. No say all this honorable boy, you know.
Yeah.
You don't know. No small picking for Robolado. Except you don't tap her before. They call say me come Lagos, send you come school.
And then whatever the village.
And then we'll go Urobo College. You know Urobo College. Justice City graduate from Urobo College. Late Justice City. All of the call transfer. He call transfer. Use your hand, touch it. Use your hand, touch him. He gets one small picking face. Now I call the one thing. So that yesterday, now
so you have proved to him that you are not.
No, Chakara, no, to be sincere. We are new generation.
Now,
for people waiting outside,
only you be we.
Only me.
Only you be we.
Me, myself, and I. I don't say you. Showman, and you, Chakara doesn't be 1 year younger than that. So if you are 62, you are 61.
Which class?
I know they like all this kind of thing.
Which class you did where they play UFC 94?
I don't even remember.
Don't laugh.
Don't laugh that time, man.
You see the
criminal. I don't remember.
Okay, so you know what they call Rashidi Yekini?
No.
Who's that? What?
Okay, so like this now, if you play for under 17.
I know Messi. I know Ronaldo.
Living
like generation, they be that.
Live.
If we say me turn the have his way, he go really follow you. First way we say your hair, even use your hair where they show for here.
You carry football age.
See, I beg.
You carry football age.
Make una look me, man.
Even where they carry die. Finish for hair.
Caesar na still elder.
Even here Nacho, you watch UFC 94. Here Nacho.
But that boy young.
He watch UFC 94.
You sure say
how
no
old
play?
he go be by that time?
You sure say no play?
How old is he now?
Forget those football age.
We don't
spoil anybody career.
No. Nacho cannot lie about his age. I feel like saying that he is the real age.
Why can't he lie?
I feel say he been born for that side. He no born for here. And then if you born for there, record day, you understand, to know
they
how.
They born for away.
It be like that. It be look like
say Nigeria.
They can't go.
Nigeria born.
Now they play like that.
Nigeria born.
Shoma, you know say something happened that day. That last match where Man City play against
some time ago.
No, the Man City play one match where they lose 2-1. When they lead Man City 1-0.
That's Tottenham now.
So Inco equalized.
That's Tottenham.
Is it with Tottenham?
Yes, Tottenham.
Yes, with Tottenham.
Where now the Man City first score.
Yeah, so Inco equalized. You know Man City they home and they find to win.
They bring them a sub.
And then they get tradition where we say, since we must win this match. So if you just equalize, they'll carry ball quick, run, go center.
Go put that.
So as he score, everybody they run, go back center. Only him one. He run, go that flank, that throw inside.
You need to celebrate now.
So I think they run, they go. Those guys, they go meet what those them.
They want to say, where
they
call the look at.
We don't have time. We want to go and take our goal. That
thing funny.
Nigeria will always be Nigeria.
No lie. Let me tell you, if anybody would have now.
No, that is not professional.
My brother.
Professionally,
my brother.
You should that should not say not get the team for back of your mind.
No.
You should always have the team.
Did you see where
you should play for the team. Most African guys.
Did you see where Toure score?
Toure when they score number 6 goal for that day when they play. They're winning side now. If you see, most African players, now they're going to say most African players when they go abroad to play, they are simply that then be the real meaning of looking for greener pasture. You understand? Oyinbo they play for passion.
What of Ronaldo where they play because he won't just score goal, but he just want make it this he score goal.
He could just dribble.
When he walked out of the press, he versed, he come out, leave them because of say they try compare him with Messi. He don't come, they tell them, say, look, you cannot tell me right now, who be the person will get the highest away goals? And it's true.
You know, back to
and
score.
guess what? As he just walk out of the press interview. When I watch that Roma match against Real Madrid, they say if Ronaldo no score goal today, the media go don't finish him.
Go kill him.
But the goal where Ronaldo score. All of us wait. You know what that match?
No.
Oh, goodness gracious. My boy see Ronaldo carry ball.
Say your boy. Showman has started.
Ronaldo carry ball.
That's the height of
Showman
disrespect.
Don't fans again. Your
That's
boy.
the height of disrespect.
Your boy.
For the person to sell in boots, buy everything you get. You see if he get mine. But you know if Ronaldo,
you don't go sell a boot.
See, if Ronaldo play match finish,
he go rent the boots. Use and buy show.
Pull the bush. Come put and say auction.
He go rent now.
Say this money is to help you. You know say you go slap. You go slap.
But you don't mean say you see my boy now.
I go be your boy.
Your boy if he help you now.
But see when he buy you go be your boy.
To you. All these boys they are entertaining us. The same way you the people boy now they want you for us now. So we dey fool ourselves for here now.
My point why they try drive be say most African players
they always waiting.
And Nigeria and the rest African players
minus Kolo, minus Yature.
Where they go, most of them they play for themselves.
No, let me tell you.
You understand? The money and the everything. Yeah. Most of the white guys,
Shakara, do you know that it is hard
most of them carry the team.
An African player to be appreciated. First, then for them to come buy you from Africa. And then you be striker. Your first intention, I say,
make you impress.
You want to score.
The rest, now when they get to they go with that kind of
mindset.
They go that kind of mindset.
You don't see how the case score. You don't see how the case score. Second, the only two.
The guy run from the post.
They all that. Now they say, leave me.
Celebrate. Like 10 years.
Leave me.
10 years after. You know, score champions.
You know, they can't say out of all people.
Mikel control was good.
They say out of all people.
All those things happen in the same week. How the two Nigerian players go score equalizing goals and then they end up losing.
But
both teams, Man City and
Emenike, they tried to score, they don't have to score.
Even Adebayo, the same thing. Adebayo score and they lost. You see everything.
But it is not the Africans' fault. Is it the celebration that make them lose? No.
If you equalize.
Celebration is motivation.
Ginger that team.
At what time was
celebration and motivation?
Equalization. At what time of the match?
There was still time. But then, they need to play.
If Aguero score that goal.
You know go. Everybody will go back to center.
If Aguero score,
the only guy where the one go meet here now. I think they run, they go meet. I think the same body is inside. He got slow.
Let me tell you.
So because they tell
because they are young.
You don't say they go carry him. They go one assist.
Why?
Why?
You say next time
you waste something. We still have a lot to play for.
So as they run go that place now, they win the match. They don't win the match.
But don't waste some seconds.
I beg, they go to the bush. I beg. First they score goal. Me wanna see that Messi for training. Messi he scored one goal for training. They carry him. Go online, you go see him.
If I sometimes if I want to analyze football, I want to talk of players. I remove Messi and say minus Messi.
Now wait make Ronaldo be the best because even the media said they let him rest. They call ask him questions like things like so who is still the best and the guy try to say if you see Messi,
media won't say
let me tell you Messi's goal. Messi's goal is one that nobody in the world has done it yet. So even when you say you score goal, your people carry you. Not training, nobody, they know they train, they don't finish train. Camera people there, everybody there. And the 9 Messi carry ball. Now, this is, the corner line. That end where the flag there. Now, this is the flag. Messi no put ball for the flag. Messi put ball way behind the corner line. So, this is where post there, for the corner line, way. Messi stand for there. I don't know how this guy.
He cover
Jesus Christ.
Keeper no there.
No keeper now. They say
it's easy to score now.
No, don't bring down.
Players score. Where are they come? Wait to.
You know they easy to score.
Leicester City.
Why you want
Leicester City player. He score from corner with keeper. defenders, everybody did there.
brother,
He caught the ball and enter. So what are you talking about now?
The same line. This one after the line.
After the line,
my brother,
it's just like
this
you
is
can't
the-
go
this is
from
the
here.
line.
Watch
Enter
now.
here.
Look at where Messi.
See
Look at where
the
Messi
argument.
is.
Okay, watch. This is corner place, Abi. Somebody score from here with keeper, defenders, everybody full there. Cover enter. Then this guy carry him come back. No tension, no fans, nobody for field, no anything. You cannot count it
all the whole.
When
all the pundits, all the not we talk. I mean, see,
no,
let me tell you,
if you say
Messi is good,
let
you understand?
Let me tell you how
the last
people when they watch when they
situation.
they don't say never watch. I tell you how the ball go.
I never watch him, I know. But as far as you don't describe to me, say there was no keeper in the post.
They say
and training don't even finish.
Let me tell you how the ball is
understand?
go. They say it looked like say there was wind of God. If you look the ball, when the ball first dey go, he had no reason to enter inside.
He just moved.
If the ball can't reach towards the second pole, on your own, because they just do, the ball just. I say with the second, the guy say.
It's more of a fluke then.
No, he don't even.
How many times he do it?
No, it is.
He don't even.
How many times he do it?
Now why he say make he do am again? Show them. Why he say make he do am? Oh boy, now wetin come make Ronaldo come vex? But Ronaldo's goal was just fantastic. Well, we don't see all the madmen inside we bar today. This is not Freestyle Friday. We have MC Shakara, the peace ambassador. Please say hi to your people and then greet them. It's Friday. We can freestyle your greeting and
spend 2 minutes on your greeting.
No, the truth is that.
Greet us in an elderly manner. We know that you are elder.
Yes, just
Papa, you go take cover for
Papa, please help us.
You know the most amazing thing. You know the most amazing thing. Do you know somebody wrote on Instagram that this guy you are calling a young boy, is he young at heart or being young? Because they try to play because he come like saying I'm not being real anymore. You understand? He come like saying, please, me what I know for Papa Sian, I don't begin to the line.
And let me tell you,
because they try to put your face
TV,
and the.
You know the TV they also add like £10.
Yeah.
So now with the eye way they see him inside this bar now, he looks young, Abi. But for TV, people they say like old man.
So why are people saying I'm like 17? That's what they say everywhere. No. Look at it. See. I've got the ginger, I've got the swag. Everything. Let me tell you. See. Let me tell you.
Mention the girl.
Anybody that's here.
We don't say girls they call you baby. Don't say you begin.
You are removed here. I don't say you no go fit because. You don't. See. This guy. Me and you. Let's run. Let's run. Just from,
I go run past you.
From here.
When we they play ball for when we they play ball for top.
No.
You never see me stop.
So much.
Don't be Obi
Make me run. You like this. Me. Hey, I don't do anything.
No, see. The point
this
is
one, I me go even carry you.
I don't want to make this elder go faint for my.
That's the problem.
I don't want to make you faint.
Look at that's what happened during Will You Run Lagos.
I don't want to make you faint.
Will You Run Lagos? No people gather for stadium.
Okay.
Those Kenyan men, old men. Kenyan men, they dry like this. Although some of them are 42, some of them are almost 50.
Tell us how many years you be?
See what you happen.
How many years you stay senior those men before?
Tell them say,
forget about
no, they say you be 17, Abi.
No. I'm between 23 and.
You want to play 21. For Nigeria?
Now listen.
Between 23 and 21.
Listen, I'm telling you something that happened during.
Is this your way of greeting your fans?
I have. They know me already. I've greeted them. How are you? Fine, thank you. Now listen. My name is Shakara. You know. Okay.
You want to play for Nigeria?
Listen, my friend.
Sorry, sir.
During the Will You Run Lagos? You know that they say run Lagos. I mean, they ask those people where run whether will you run Lagos again? because when they reach there, and I trust one guy. The guy too get respect because he go with the mind because they say run Lagos. You understand? Yeah. So he don't go with the mind saying Lagosians and everybody. You know.
No, say they come.
So I think they were capacity. I think they were capacity like during the registration for line. You can see 2 Kenyan guys. And they wear that they are this thing, they Kenya for the back.
So they run for mountain.
So he said, see what they talk. He said, just pass like this, enter the nearest booker, Etamala, then went back home. You understand?
He didn't want to kill himself.
Well, you don't see MC Shakara. And I also have the second maddest man inside the building.
The new generation fine boy. Based on who I be, I'm just here to make sure everything is all right. Forget all the haters, the old haters.
No verse.
All the haters of the old generation.
Open your phone for
me.
They
say every spirit that's chasing you from
Put your phone for
old age.
On the screen,
we cast and bind. I am directing this prayer.
Let me see.
To the other side.
What do you want? You want snapper?
The other side.
No, you know the see face. That was did like this.
Young boy. Oh my God. You know that's why they be paparazzi. You know.
Okay.
Haters gonna hate.
If you don't want lie, just analyze the age of the image you see.
The age of the image.
you be like analyze the age of this image.
Haters are going to hate.
I never see where you take them.
Forget.
Never. Just want to put
it's real.
I have to go on the break right now. Don't mind all this madman. When we come back, the Freestyle Friday is still they continue. No go anywhere. Okay, welcome back to That's Your Night Tonic, what we call Bobo Sian, saving relationship since 2014. And in case it's not your first time ever, where you try, say just to see these three mad men on top we set. Well, you are welcome, and you have been missing plenty all this time where they even follow the joint. But you fit also go on our YouTube channel, will be Wazobia TV NG/Bobo Sian, and you go see everything we don't talk from day one since 2014. And you can also follow our Facebook, Instagram, our Twitter, and our personal handle. Today, we don't get any particular thing. We call it a Freestyle Friday because we just want banter on things where we feel say they bother us. We don't start with football because we are passionate people. Tomorrow is a football day again, so we'd always like to just always talk. But Chakara, what is the other pressing matter where they worry you?
You get one funny thing we happen for Kogi State. I shout for Guardian.
So why they bite your finger and they talk now?
I don't know. I just feel like I just want to show this guy.
He's trying to be like
He's trying to be like
No. I just want to show you my youthful exuberance.
They say when person don't pass that age,
people say they very young.
You are trying so hard.
Because this boy, if get
why you try so hard?
I go to suck hand for this.
Why you try so hard to prove say you young? We know guys prove.
You get where I go. What do you mean? Shall carry for the boat to come?
You don't bring something very close to that one from Kuala Lumpur. That's what people like for the bottle now.
No, Bobby will come now.
Bobby,
for Kogi, one native doctor, where they do jazz for boys to, or they shoot for bullets, they shoot no go enter. I don't know why I don't know whether the boys they go rob.
Why you go one do it before if you don't want to rob?
Say they do, so you know, you can't do for them.
You don't work.
You know, we can't test them. Instead of you to test one first to see whether it works, you give them,
You don't have it.
Not be joke, now me tell you.
That's confidence. That's confidence.
You not say I subscribe with them for my phone. So any of their receipts, I see them in the pop-up and updates.
And
they come. So when I see them, it do make me laugh. I say at least you want test whether.
No, you don't go shoot here. You go shoot maybe like leg.
And the man, no, you don't say leg. Fee no enter.
He won't shoot.
And then
why don't go enter?
No. Leg fee no enter. Then the fee go rob.
Yeah.
They come shoot them for sensitive place. You go enter. So you want do and say go do one for sensitive place.
Yeah, I go wear bulletproof. Yes, now I wear bulletproof. Then I say okay, tram. If he penetrates,
boss their body.
If he penetrates bulletproof.
Toe. I swear to God.
Why
kill the two boys?
And now bringing me back to the matter of this gun where you talk. My pressing issue with me, I carry come on this Freestyle Friday today now. This matter of police. I feel say I want solicit give government make them try increase police money. Reason being that the story wey happen some weeks ago of that frustrated policeman where they say he enter inside bar as he enter the bar he begin the para say he dey find person to kill.
For this Nigeria?
For Lagos here for Magodo side. The guy begin the para say they find person to kill. He won't keep person today. So as he call the talk, he order for drink. He dey harass everybody inside the bar. Say make them buy shark. People now they buy shark, you understand? So the K2 happen K2. So the next thing I'll be saying, these Tai and Kaide twins, where their birthday was that very day, come enter with their other friend. I think there are 3 guys or so. They come in. As they enter, the policeman now begin to harass them, say, buy me drink, buy me shark, buy me shark. Now the twins say no be shark, no be the issue, but comport yourself. Comport yourself, now be wala, now control wala. Begin come they happen. Okay, these boys now run, go outside, you understand? Just like you know when you know something don't pass your power. Policeman no agree here. Person only talk say one key person says he follow them go outside. And so he he killed these 3 persons. Face bullets for himself, kill himself. He did social media now. So that brings me to the point first. Poverty is a problem in this country. People can be frustrated, you understand. But why will Nigerian government give a policeman gun and they earn 18,000, 30,000 naira? You person want to kill.
I swear that.
You cannot give somebody with life.
You have a point too. You have a point there. You have a point too.
America can never pay you like at least 150 above. Now police supposed to earn.
They hungry to be police now.
If you give me gun, I be policeman and I don't get money, I go begin sell bullets. You understand? The bullet finish.
Because most of them they do business with
yes,
these
now with these guns now. And then they give robbers all the gun now. It's not so. I don't know how the government wants them.
Some of them, you don't even talk of money. Even for the policeman to appear, to look
the very... look alone, you can blow a policeman.
Some of them, that uniform where they give them, for government to provide another uniform.
They are the ones paying for it.
It will take years.
I even hear say they get this, I don't forget the man name, where they do one police kind of school.
So apart from your first one where you take because the first uniform they give from...
those guys they pay.
Police college.
You got to wrap up, but those guys they pay.
It's very appalling because as I did here, so I can't think deep because don't they? I feel the way they feel now. I'm not feeling like I'm here presenting the program. You understand? I'm feeling like I'm home and I'm worried about the well-being of my family and fellow Nigerians. You understand? Because now then they secure our lives. Yes, you understand? And if you not treat these people well,
you see that on the road. You can. That's why even if I go for road now, you understand? And policeman see me for road. Once I don't say what they find, their job is not easy, cold.
And sometimes
so they just give them 200 naira, anything where you get, you understand?
And sometimes they owe them. How many people, even the government people, can you have a security man where they mark your gate for president, make you treat them anyhow?
They pay them well.
They pay them well, but
they give them.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.